Ow, mine!
Welcome to the Frickcast. Today we're talking about the deepest cleaning, Dr. Squatch Briccs. It's no secret that Squatch bars are much better than most. However, amongst themselves, they can differ quite a bit. Some have powerful scents, some are creative, holiday themes or collabs, and some are all about the grit. However, perhaps the most important aspect of a bar is how deep the clean is. In this video, I wanted to look at the top 5 deepest cleaning bricks on the Squatch menu. Bars with noise exfoliation that moisturize your skin, leaving you feeling as nifty as possible. Let's get slamming with number 5, the Cool Fresh Aloe. This boy is carried by its unique ingredient, that of course being aloe. The aloe in this bar makes it one of the most hydrating and nourishing of all Squatch bricks. It's a smooth bar with no grit, so it's perfect for sensitive or irritated skin, as it will leave it soothed and moisturized, coupled with the rainy spring day scent of this brick, and it's one of the more fresher ones out there. Next, we have the Wisdom Wash at 4. This Yoda Boy is a very underrated bar that never ceases to impress. Just like the Aloe Boy, this bar is carried by its unique ingredient, that being lotus leaf. This actually gives it a lighter grit, but also makes it deeply nourishing. The scent, a sort of herbal, citrusy one, is also a great one and makes this bar one of the most refreshing ones to use. It's a very straightforward bar and does just about everything quite well. At 3 we have the Coconut Castaway. This boy is all about the coconut with several coconut related ingredients. Coconut shreds give it a light grit, one that's not too rough yet will clear away dead skin. The coconut in this bar cleans deep and hydrates your skin with its noise lather. The pina colada scent also fits well with this brick. Next up at 2, we're going to cheat a little and have 2 bars. The Pine Tar Brothers. The OG and the Snowy are both excellent bricks that have some similarities, but also differ quite significantly. They both feature pine tar in them, which gives them both a very deep clean. However, they both also have various levels of grit too that help clear away dead skin and impurities. The Snowy is rocking with balsam fir and has more of a medium level of grit. It also has one of the best woodsy scents out there. Personally, I prefer the balsam fir scent of this bar over the OG's pine scent. Speaking of the big brother, this boy is rocking with sand and oatmeal based grit, and is one of the heavier ones out there. It's not for everyone, but if you can handle it, you're treated to one of the most intense cleans of any brick. And at 1 is of course the Deep Sea Goat's Milk. If you're familiar with this channel, you may already know that this is my favorite Squatch brick. The goat's milk is certainly the highlight here, as it's one of the most nourishing and moisturizing ingredients out there. It also has a bit of grit too with some oatmeal that allows the bar to clean deeper, as well as has one of the thickest lathers of any brick. It really just leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed. The scent is also not bad at all, with a seafoam type of smell. Overall, just a god tier brick. And there you have it. Now I would like to hear from you guys in the comments. Which of these is your favorite, and what others do you think I should have included on the list? Let me know what you think is the deepest cleaning Squatch brick. As always, thanks for watching.
Ow, mine!